Hi, this is Karen with WTI. I've been looking for a long time for a really nice ring holder for my phone, and this Lamical magnetic phone ring was it. It feels really comfortable in my hand. It feels like I have a really strong grip on the phone, and the magnet is a super strong magnet. It holds up to 2.2 pounds suction. So I feel like even if I'm holding the phone like this, it won't fall. And if I want to take out the magnet, it's not super hard to take it off. And I'm in love with the design. It's super slim. It fits everywhere, from my purse to my pockets. I also love the fact that it has different gears. I can position it into 90 degrees or 45. It's just depending on the use that I'm having right there and then. And it also rotates in a 360 degrees, so it comes really handy. And that's my point of view.